Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what are the uses or applications of JSON. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you're new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Uses of JSON or JavaScript object notation. The most common use of JSON data in files is to read data from a server for a website or web application to display and change data given the correct permissions. But that is not the only thing it is used for. Computer applications, programs, mobile apps, and much more all use JSON files. Okay guys, so this is the end of our short video on the uses of JSON or JavaScript object notation. Thank you so much for watching and supporting with my channel. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.